students, let us know how to write a chemical equation. You all know chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction, and a chemical reaction involves reactants and products. Reactants are those substances which react to form new substances, and new substances formed are products. So these are the steps to write a chemical equation. So first step is write reactants. I have written these points in brief only. Reactants, R is for reactants. Write formulae and symbols of the reactants on left hand side with the plus sign between them. Suppose we have two reactants. Reactant symbol of first reactant is R1 and symbol of second reactant is R2, and we will write plus sign between them. And write second point is write products on right hand side with the plus sign between them. If there is only one reactant or one product, then no need to write plus sign. Then place arrow between reactants and products, and arrowhead should be towards the products. Then fourth point is conditions information, like under which condition reaction is taking place. If it is taking place at some particular temperature, particular pressure, we have to mention that above or below the arrow. If we are using any catalyst or any substance for carrying out the reaction, we have to write it also on or below the arrow. Catalysts are those substances which are used to start a reaction, or sometimes they are used to increase the speed of the reaction. Okay. Then next point is physical states. Yes, we have to write physical states also. For solids, we use small s. For liquids, we use small l. For gases, we use small g. And for aqueous, we use AQ. Aqueous means solution formed in water. Generally, we prepare solutions. We prepare solutions in water only. Okay. So, if solution is prepared in a solvent other than water, we call them non-aqueous. But in chemistry, we generally use water as a solvent to prepare a solution. So, aqueous. Okay. So, we have to write AQ in the bracket. Like if this is aqueous, this is aqueous, this is solid, and this is gas. Okay. Then heat changes. If any heat is evolved or used up during a reaction, we have to mention it. Sometimes when reactants changes to product, heat is released along with the product. So we write plus heat on the product side. And in some reactions, to start a reaction, we have to provide heat. In that case, we will write plus heat on the reactant side, or we can write heat over arrow, or we can write product minus heat, because it will become minus on the right hand side. Clear? So heat changes we have to mention. Then concentrated or dilute. Means there are two types of acid. This is basically for acids. Acids are of two types. Bases are also of two types, concentrated and dilute. Concentrated acids are those which have more amount of acid and less amount of water. Dilute acids are those which have more amount of water and less amount of acid. So if this is an acid, we will write dilute in front of it if it is dilute. Okay, if it is concentrated, we will write concentrated. For dilute, we use DIL dot, and for concentrated, we use CONC dot. Next, name of the reactant and product. Like this is reactant 1. What will that? मतलब जो भी name होगा वही हम लिखेंगे. Okay, reactant 1, reactant 2, product 1, product 2. One point is left. Upward arrow for evolution of gas is used, and downward arrow for precipitates is used. अगर प्रोडक्ट साइड पे कोई रिएक्शन, कोई गैस प्रोड्यूस हुई है, एवोल्यूशन मतलब इवॉल्व हुई है, तो गैस इवॉल्व होके कहाँ जाएगी? गैसेज ऑलवेज मूव अपवर्ड्स बिकॉज गैसेज आर लाइटर, दे ऑलवेज मूव अपवर्ड. लाइक इन दिस केस P2 is gas, it will go upward. Okay, so we will write upward arrow for the evolution of gas. And for precipitates we write downward arrow. What are precipitates? Precipitates is any insoluble substance in solution. Means कई बार क्या होता है, जब दो रिएक्टेंट्स को हम मिक्स करते हैं, अब ये दोनों रिएक्टेंट्स क्या है? एक्वस है. मींस दोनों सोल्यूशन फॉर्म में है, दोनों को वाटर में मिक्स करके सोल्यूशन बनाया गया है. जब दोनों को मिक्स करेंगे तो एक सब्सटेंस ऐसा प्रोड्यूस होगा जो सोल्यूशन में नहीं डिसॉल्व होगा, वो बल्कि सेटल डाउन हो जाएगा. बिकॉज प्रेसिपिटेट क्या है? इनसॉल्युबल सब्सटेंस है. तो इनसॉल्युबल सब्सटेंस क्या होगा? इट विल सेटल down. That is why we use downward arrow. Like here this is formed, this is in solid form. Solid form means ये aqueous form में नहीं है, मतलब ये water में soluble नहीं है. जनरली हम water की ही बात करते हैं क्योंकि aqueous यूज किया हमने, तो water में soluble नहीं है, तो हम इसके लिए क्या यूज करेंगे साथ में? Downward arrow. Or we can also write PPT below this. PPT means precipitates. Clear? Now let us understand with the help of examples. Like H2 plus O2 form H2O. Now these are reactants. So we write symbols of the reactants with plus sign between them over left hand side, and symbol of the formula of the product or over right hand side, as there is only one product, so no need to write plus sign anywhere. Now this H2, we know it is gas, this O2 is also gas, but this is liquid. Clear? Actually when both gases are burned, when they are combined, the water produced is in वेपर फॉर्म. मीन्स ये गैस फॉर्म में प्रोड्यूस होता है, बट व्हेन दैट वेपर फॉर्म इज कूल्ड डाउन इट कन्वर्ट्स इनटू लिक्विड. ओके, सो नेम इट इज हाइड्रोजन, इट इज ऑक्सीजन, इट इज water. If अगर reaction conditions are given to us, we can also write reaction conditions over here. And arrow is used, upward arrow for gas is used on product side only, because gases will, if they were evolve means products में बन रही हैं gases, तो वो evolve होके ऊपर को जाएंगी. Okay, don't write upward arrow on the reactant side. Other example, reverse reaction H2O, when electric current is passed through water, it changes into H2 and O2. Now here reactant is H2O, it is in liquid form. These two are products and both are gases. Now we can use upward arrow with them. Now reaction, what is reaction condition? Electric current means this reaction will take place only if electric current will be passed through it. अगर electric current हम पास नहीं करेंगे तो water break नहीं होगा हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन में. तो हमने reaction condition mention कर दी. Okay, this is water, this is hydrogen, this is oxygen. Next reaction is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate को जब heat करते हैं, heat यहाँ पे हम हीट लिख सकते हैं, या फिर हम हीट की जगह ट्राइंगल लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, ट्राइंगल इज द सिंबल ऑफ हीट. तो ये किस में ब्रेक हो जाएगा? कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में. तो कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट क्या है? सॉलिड. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड भी क्या है? सॉलिड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या है? गैस. ओके, तो ये अब हीट क्या है? हीट यूज हुई है, तो हम हीट को एरो के ऊपर भी लिख सकते हैं, या फिर हम लिख सकते हैं कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट प्लस हीट, और वी कैन राइट माइनस हीट ऑन द प्रोडक्ट साइड. अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज व्हेन इथेनॉल is heated at 443 Kelvin in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, it changes to ethene plus water. Now this is alcohol, liquid, ethene. It can be liquid or solid, and it is liquid. So temperature, at particular temperature this reaction takes place, so we have written it. And it takes place only in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, so we have written it. So in this way we write a chemical equation. Thank you.